Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome back to Day 6 of Montavilla Sewing 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
Today we're at our beautiful Beaverton location.
Home of amazing customers, incredible machines, and one of our long-term employees.
That's right. Today we're featuring Wendy, the manager here at Beaverton.
She's going to walk us through the Bernina 990 and show off some of the amazing quilting features this machine can do.
And trust us, Wendy knows the 990 better than most people know their own car.
And now, for today's giveaway,
we're going to give away a Bernette 33, valued at $400.
it's a fantastic entry-level machine, sturdy, reliable, perfect for beginners to travel or whatever.
Stick around, enjoy Wendy's chat, and don't forget to enter today's giveaway.
Now let's jump into Day 6 here in Beaverton.
Okay, so today I'm here with Wendy Matthews. She's our manager at our Beaverton location. And you know, Wendy, how long have you been with us now?
I started in 2018, so about 7 years.
Oh,
Crazy.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, I remember you you pitched in a lot during the pandemic. That was crazy times, wasn't it?
It was crazy, but honestly, it was a little bit fun.
So, since you've been here at the store, what has changed in your sewing? How has your sewing changed?
So I was always a garment sewer, and that was kind of my primary focus. I have a degree in fashion design as well as business, but I am now a quilter as well.
Wow.
And I'd never really done that before, so really love computerized quilting.
Okay, so today, I sent out an email. I had Chris send out an email, asking staff if there's something to highlight. They want to show something off, and you immediately wrote back, "Hey, I want to talk about the Bernina 990."
I did.
What? This is like one of your favorite machines now. Tell me why this is one of your favorite machines.
There are first of all, it sews like a dream. It's just so smooth and all the stitching is perfect. But there's so many fun features on it that just make everything a lot more fun. An example, I love that my new hobby, quilting, the BQM designs, which is the Bernina quilt machine designs, turn this into basically a small long arm. So it makes the quilting process super easy. The placement features for embroidery are fantastic. You can morph your designs into place.
Do you have any samples of this?
I do.
Can you show us what you've been doing? What have you been up to here?
Christmas present. Sorry, Mom. No surprises.
Maybe she's not watching.
She probably is not. I quilted these, and this is just super simple, just like a piece of fabric that you love, and then I cut it into a square and quilted it on my 990. I used the pinpoint placement for the outer details, and then I did the morph for this center, and these are all built-in designs in the machine.
Yeah, how many BQM designs come with it?
Oh my gosh, so many.
Okay, and then
There's over 100.
And then it kind of acts like a tabletop quilting machine then. So it gives you the
does.
best of both worlds, like a quilting machine,
Mhm.
an embroidery machine, and a garment sewer, couture sewing machine also.
Exactly. Yeah.
All these.
Amazing. Yeah. It's super strong. I've sewn all my handbags on it. It's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So I'm just curious, this, I just like to show off these things, but the question I have for you, I've been asking everybody this. Do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
I do. So we're going back. I love board games, and I probably have exhausted all my people as far as playing with me, but my grandmother was always game.
Okay.
And so they would come, they were from the Bay Area, and they would drive up every Christmas, and we had our big celebration on Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day was you know, morning was filled with activity, but the evening was just like you're on your own. And my grandmother and I board games all night long.
Oh, that's really fun.
Watching Christmas movies. It was so fun.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so we're now giving away a Bernette 33 by Bernina.
Oh, nice.
That's a pretty cool deal. But they have to know the code word.
Oh.
So what's the code we're going to give them?
The code word for today is candy cane.
Okay, that's 2 words, but
I know, I'm extra.
okay, candy cane it is. So thank you, Wendy, so much for taking time with us and showing us this wonderful machine.
Thank you.
And that wraps up today's visit here at Beaverton location.
A big thank you to Wendy for showing us those amazing quilting features on the Bernina 990. She really brings that machine to life.
And remember, today's giveaway is the Bernette 33 valued at $400.
And don't forget today's code word, which is
Candy cane.
we love celebrating the 12 days of Christmas with you, and tomorrow's prize is going to be just as exciting.
You don't want to miss it.
Merry Christmas and happy sewing.